Hi cosplay shopper fans, I'm Nana and today we're going to be teaching you how to take care of your wig. Wigs are very delicate, okay, so that means no heat. You cannot use a curling iron or flat iron or straightener. Blow dries are acceptable, but only from a distance, meaning they can only be at least a foot away. Any closer and you'll be melting it. You can use curling irons and flat irons as long as they're below 100 degrees. Now when you're combing your wig, you should never go from top to bottom. Always start from the middle and gently work your way down. If you start from the top, you're going to be pulling out lots of strands and it will not be good for the wig cap. So always go gently from middle to bottom. Big paddle brushes and these kind of brushes aren't very good for your wig. They will strain your wig and pull out all the strands. It will destroy your wig. Unless you're using these kinds of rolling brushes to style your wig, then it's alright. Wrapping around, that's fine. You should never use any type of gel or extra hold spray on your wig. Your wig is very, very delicate, so you should use a fine kind of shaper spray. Shaper sprays are very flexible and do not contain a lot of chemical, so they are not harmful to your wig. Not as harmful. Now when it gets rainy or humid or hot outside, your wig will collect a lot of moisture and it will frizz and it will cling together. You do not want that static, so you can avoid that just by using a little bit of fabric softener, maybe like a dime size or a quarter size depending on how long and thick your wig is. The thicker and longer it is, the more fabric softener you need to use. I recommend using a dime size for about this length of hair. Okay, well thank you for watching and that's all we have today. Any more questions, feel free to leave comments and be sure to subscribe.